So we will find the equation for a line given a slope and a point other than the y-intercept. This equation will be calculated in the slope-intercept form or the equation of the line. So the equation of the line or the slope-intercept form will be y equals mx plus b. Then we were also told that we are given two values, two aspects. We are given the slope and a point. The formula for the slope is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and the point is just x comma y. Okay, so because we can choose the values, we can choose values, but they have to be fractions. So in case of the slope, it will be 8/3, and the point will be 4/3 comma minus 9/4. Now with this information we can calculate the equation of the line or the slope intercept form. So with these two data aspects, we can say that the slope 8/3 passes through the point 4/3 comma 9/4, and from the point we're going to take the values of x equals 4/3 and y equals minus 9/4. We will add these values into the slope formula along with the slope value itself. So this formula, m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x minus x1, this will turn into 8/3 equals y minus 9/4 over x minus 4/3. Now the only thing we have to do is solve until we get an equation that is similar to y equals mx plus b, the equation of the line, or an equation in the slope intercept form. So we are going to proceed with that. We have here x minus 4/3, which is dividing on the right side. We'll move it to the left side, but now multiplying, and the 3 in the left side dividing will go to the right side multiplying. So we will get x minus 4/8 equals 3 multiplied by y plus 9/4. So this is what we get, and now we just multiply 8x minus 32/3 equals 3y plus 27/4. Now that we have this, we're going to try to isolate y, and we're going to move 27/4 to the left. So 27/4 minus 27/4 will be 0, and because we do this on the right side, we will have to do it 2 in the left side. So we will get 8x minus 32/3 minus 27/4 equals 3y. Now we want to add these two together, minus 32 thirds and minus 27 fourths, but we cannot do it because of the denominator. So we're just going to equal their respective denominators. So we get minus 128 twelfths minus 81 twelfths equals 3y. Oh, I'm sorry, you cannot see that. Oh, we're going to get rid of we're going to get rid of the part above. Okay, and it doesn't matter, you cannot see that part. Okay, so okay, let's do it again. We will get 8x minus 128 twelfths minus 81 twelfths equals 3y. Now this same denominator can be added up, so we get 8x minus 209 twelfths equals 3y. Now we're just going to flip it so the y is on the left side, but nothing changes. And now this 3 that is multiplying here will go down here, now dividing in the other side, right? So 8x minus 209 twelfths over 3. So we get that y equals 8 thirds x minus 209 36. Now that we I did not like that sound. So now that we got our desired equation in the slope-intercept form, we're going to prove that it is true. So we're going to use the equation that we got to calculate y in our given point. So the point is 4 thirds, let's say that is y because we're not supposed to know it. So y equals 8 thirds multiplied by 4 thirds minus 209.36. So after that we get 32 ninths minus 209.36. We made the denominators the same, so we get 128.36 minus 209.36, and we get y equals minus 81 over 36. Both can be divided by 9. 81 divided by 9 is 9, 36 divided by 9 is 4, so we get y equals minus 9 fourths, which is the value that we used to get this equation. So the equation is correct.